Hello guys, okay, I buy t-shirt, so I think a Spider-Man people is my Askis superhero. That one is a booklet, is a free fragment. I guess it's original, but it's not. So I will showcase it's back as we can. So, isip about it's like Christmas so he has this week is to us. We so this Batman figure is actually cool. So I could go what he have a
kung sasabihin, phone na ka. Yung hospital si mama mo, kasi kung na naman kanya magi yun.
Kiss me. So, I can have a no weapon. So, kiss is his weapon.
Masisira ka, princess.
Okay, yung kiss sa figure ko kita.
Palagay mo?
Depende sa sasabihin niya. Depende sa sasabihin niya, mamo. Kaya, mamo ko lang. Depende sa sasabihin niya, mamo.
That's a golden Batman figure, but this booklet. So, anyways, this book is actually good. It's cool. So, this figure. Another piece, a piece is the gift. This gift is actually this is for Karnataka logo. I think. So, I was this pieces. Okay, guys. So, I think as we had previous.
Malay mo ngay bagpel.
Kahit ba, mamumay lukod pa ni mama.
Oh, shit.
Ngati, umay dito nga. Ano ay kunana? Tapos pasok-sukan na iti kwa. Sa ribo, 2,000. O di na suka.
Pasentahin mo lang muna kasi sasabihin niya kung anong tatanungin niya.
Dapat hindi mo sinabi yung pangalan namin. Classmate mo dapat yung nilagay mo.
Television lang kami
His eyes is
guri-guri kami nini. Kunam.
actually calipo.
Muna pang kayo dyan, antay nung ay kunana. Juan, ang paminag.
So cool. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, please.
Kasi tumutibagang, yung halimbawa.
See ya.
Kasi nung damagin na, halimbawa.